knowledge. In our last video, we saw that how you can create a simple drawer layout Android for the Android operating system. You cannot use it with iOS. So in this video, we will create a basic example using drawer layout. We will be creating two text input in which user enter the information like name and age, and then we display those information in the drawer component as account information. So first of all, create a React Native project and open it on Visual Studio Code. And I already opened the Android emulator. You also need to open the Android emulator. iOS emulator will not show the effect of this drawer layout because it's specially designed for Android operating system. So first of all, let us import the necessary component, the text input, drawer layout Android button. First of all, create a ref for drawer. Initially we set it to null. Now we will create two state for name and age. By default it will be an empty string. Age, set age. By default let's set it to 0. Now let us create navigation view function. This navigation view will basically contain the layout for the drawer. Let me create a view component. In this there will be a text. Let's say my account. Let's provide some styling. Size of 20. Font weight of say bold. Then there will be another text component which display the name, and another that display the age of the user. Let's give this text to some styling. Style.paragraph. Style.paragraph. Let's give this view also some style properties. Dot container. Styles dot navigation container. And the button to close the drawer. This is not important because you can press on anywhere outside of the drawer and it will also be closed. If you want to stay, if you still want to use the button, you can use that. And on press, drawer dot current dot close drawer. Now let us create the component. Drawer layout component. First we need to provide the ref. It will be the drawer. Then we need to provide the width of the drawer. Let's say 300. Then we need to provide the position of the drawer. Let's say left. And finally, render navigation view will be this function navigation. Now first of all, let us create a text input. Placeholder will be enter your name, and on change text, whatever the text is enter, we will set it to set name. Let's also provide style. Styles.input will be creating this style later on. Let us create another text input for age. Placeholder will be enter your age. On change text, whatever the text is enter, we'll set it to set age. Also give style. We can also provide keyboard type. Numeric. Okay, so this is our text input. Now we need a button to open the drawer. Again, it's not necessary to create a button because you can always slide from the left. Open drawer. On press, drawer dot current dot open drawer. Okay, so that's it. Let me just provide styling. Navigation container. Let's provide background color. It will be white. Paragraph for the text. Padding of let's say 15. Font size of 15. Text line will be center. Now for the input, this style will apply to text input. First of all, the padding It's a 20. Let's say width 90% width. Background color will be, let's say, pink. Let me just save this, return to web.js. So what we have done so far is we have created drawer, and by default, first of all, at the beginning it will be null. We have created two states. First one is for name and the second one is for age. Then we created design for drawer navigation view. We create three text. The first one is static, my account, and this and the rest of two will display the name and age of the user. And then there's a button on which if user click, drawer will be closed. Then we created drawer layout Android over here, and we need to contain this over here. Okay, let us provide style to it. Styles dot container, and we have created two text input. First one is for name and second one is for age. The last, that is a button to open the drawer. So let me just save this and see if it works. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Let me just provide margin. So as you can see, we have two text input over here. Let me just write my name over here. Age. In age, if you have noticed, we provided keyboard type is numeric. That's why we are getting only numerics over here. So now if I press on open drawer, as you can see, my account region 25, close drawer. We can also slide it from the left hand side. Let's write mat T2. Okay, open drawer, as you can see. So basically this is how you can create a drawer layout for Android operating system, and you can use it in your app. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.